what's up you guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Emily and you know what time it is. It is the end of the month, which means we are doing our monthly favorites. So today I'm going to share with you guys some of the stuff that I've been using more recently or more often this month. So I haven't really been using too many new things this month, but there are a few special items that I want to show you guys, and also snacks. I have some snacks that I'll show you guys at the end of the video. But first, I really want to share some beauty and like lifestyle type of products, which brings me to today's sponsor, which is Decor. You guys know that I've used their perfumes before. Let me tell you a little bit more about it because I want to share the new perfume that I got and I've been using a lot of this month. Alright, so this is the one that I already had, the Oriental Oak Moss, but recently they sent me another one to try. And they sent over their Gourmand Orange Blossom. They reproduce classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price, keeping the exact same high quality but cutting all the expenses and giving you the freedom to explore new scents. This perfume is actually inspired by one of Lancome's high-end perfumes, which retails for $100. You can also use my code EmilySanchez10 for 10% off your purchase or by using the link in the description. And I've said it before, I don't like spending money on designer things. I don't think I even have anything designer. If I have anything designer, it's because maybe it was gifted. That's it. I do not. But anyways, that's why I love these, because they seriously smell expensive and they're only like $29. So that's a win. And they're so good that when my girlfriends have come to stay at my place or they come over before we go out, they've been spraying my perfume. So don't ask me, ask them. But anyways, let's move over to the next thing, and that'll be in the bathroom. So let's go. All right, so we have quite a few things in here, but I love these products. I've been obsessed. I've literally been using it every single day. First, we're gonna go with the Summer Fridays chapstick. Funny little tube. Oh, it's a lip butter balm. This, you guys, is so good. I love this balm. So the way I even came across this and knew to get it was because of a TikTok. A girl was obsessing over it and her lips just looked so nice. I should have showed you guys, but I wanted to put on lipstick today, but it's so good. The only thing I hate about this is that when you first want to use it and you open it, everything just wants to come out. Like, it's so wasteful in the beginning. And what I just would do is use some on my finger, try to close it really quickly, and then some comes off the sides. That sucks. That sucks. But I would just give some to like my friends or my family to put on. But after you go through it a little bit, it gets a little bit easier. So yeah, the packaging, it's a little tricky, but the product itself is so good. Yeah, I would try it out. I can't remember the cost of it. I remember it's not cheap, but it does last for a while. Like, I've been using this for longer than just this month. It's been a while, but anyways, I love that one. Next item, which I've shared a while ago, but I just recently started using it like every single day, and that's my Osea Malibu body oil. This is so nice. So every time now, this is what I've been doing. Every day I get out of the shower, obviously dry my body, but not fully, because this is actually really nice when you still have a little bit of water on your body, and it leaves your skin looking so nice. Yeah, it just keeps you glowing. But let me read the back for you guys. So it says, supercharge your skin with the seaweed infused body oil, softens, nourishes, and firms, minimizes look of stretch marks, rich yet never greasy. This aromatherapeutic elixir enhances every inch. So like it says, rich yet never greasy. That is what I noticed right away. Like, when I first started using it, I was concerned that like during really hot days, this is gonna make me feel like gross or anything, but it really does not. It just adds like a nice glow. I'm even using it right now. I don't know if you could tell, and my arms are not the nicest. I have like marks since I was young and stuff, but anyways, it just leaves like such a nice glow. It's just an extra little thing to make you feel and look nice, and it smells pretty nice too. So love this one. Okay, so next thing is makeup related, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel. So I kind of got this just in the moment when my little sister had to go to Ulta for something. I was like, you know what? I kind of want to get something for my eyebrows. So I went ahead and splurged on this. I can't remember how much it was, but I typically don't try to spend too much on makeup. But this is so nice. I have a little bit on right now, not too much, just because I don't really like using this unless I'm like going out and I'm trying to like look a little extra cute or something, because we can't just use it all up at once, you know? It just comes like this. And it's just a clear gel, so I use it to just comb my eyebrows up. Not like I need any more thickness really, but I like the look of it. And right now, if you're thinking, Emily, your eyebrows are looking a little crazy, a little Chewbacca, I know, because I need to get them done. I'm actually going to get them done this weekend to get ready for my New York trip that I'm going on. But yeah, I'm gonna tame these brows soon. And if you don't believe me, then let me do a little zoom in for you guys. Look at these brows. So you can see a little bit of where I used it. Oh my gosh, these guys need to get fixed. Okay, you got a real close up of my face. But yeah, I love this one. It just, again, it's a little thing that just enhances your makeup look, and I love it. All right, so I'm bringing you guys into the office now. Into the new office. Look how cute she is. I seriously love the way that this space feels. It feels really nice getting work done in here. If you guys haven't seen the new office makeover video, I'll have it linked up here if you want to see the whole before and after of this space. But anyways, let me show you the favorite that I have in here. And that is my IKEA shelving. I haven't really talked about these shelves too much. Honestly, I feel bad about it because these have seriously been such a lifesaver. So I've had these for a while now. I think I built them probably like a month ago. And now that I have like a more open space and I can actually admire them for what they are, I really, really love them. The price was great. The quality seems fine. The only thing is that like it can be a little bit wobbly if you want to like mess with it or something, but it works. Everything is nice and organized. I love the look, the brown. You guys know I love like the wood tones. So we got that going on. And of course, if you guys are interested in any of the stuff I'm sharing, I'm gonna have all the links down below for you to make it easy in case you are also looking for something similar. And another thing that's in here that I love are these containers. All right, so here's a closer look. We have these smaller ones that have been awesome for my plant markers and my little cards. And then we have these deeper ones. But yeah, I've been loving these for sure. Super simple, and they store a lot of stuff. I was very surprised. Okay, so last favorite that is decor related would have to be my new gold frame and Bali art print. So this gold frame I got from Amazon. I tried my best, you guys. I really tried. Every time I've gone to a Goodwill, because I don't really know of any other thrift stores. Honestly, they kind of intimidate me sometimes. I feel like people know exactly what they're going in for. Anyways, besides that, I was also looking up on OfferUp to find any like vintage gold frames, and they're either like really pricey or just not my style, or very like worn out. So I got this one off of Amazon and I'm really happy with it. I got this one specifically because not only is it very simple, which is what I was going for, but it has the white insert which I needed for this specific print. This print is actually from my Bali trip that I took a few years ago. My friend that I met there is a photographer and she really wanted to send me this print because she just started her own little print shop online. And of course I said yes, of course I want a print from the Bali trip I've been obsessing over for all these years still. Not only is it really cute, like the colors just look perfect, but it's also a memory for me, and it's nice having a piece of art that wasn't just purchased just cause on any shop. It was taken by my friend during our trip and she printed it and packaged it up for me, so it's that much more special. Okay, next let's move on to the kitchen. We're now in the kitchen and let me share with you guys my snacks that I have been loving lately. All right, first, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what I'm gonna show you. All right, you know us, we're hitting the gym, we're trying to be healthy. Sometimes time is running out and we realize, oh my gosh, I need to eat something. And for those days that I'm extra busy, I'm at least making sure that I'm getting my protein in. And so I have been drinking these Premier proteins. Tell me why I just got on these. And they taste so yummy. 160 calories, low fat, love it. I got these because I follow a bunch of like workout influencers on TikTok. This girl was sharing all of what she eats in a day, and she has like this as a snack and also these 1 bars. I've really been liking these. So these have been so awesome. They are 20 grams of protein and they taste really, really good with only 1 gram of sugar. Like how? No wonder these are a little bit pricier because they're so worth it. But okay, I have the Almond Bliss, the Blueberry Cobbler, and the Maple Glazed Donut. They are so tasty. I want to try every single flavor as well as with these. Oh yeah, and this one I had the chocolate and the caramel. Caramel's a little bit on the sweet side. A lot of people were actually telling me on Instagram that they use it instead of like creamer for their coffee. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So definitely recommend getting some 1 bars or really high protein bars for those days that you really need an extra little bit of protein. And last is another snack because I just love this from Trader Joe's so bad. I recently showed you guys that I got some, but I have been getting this more repeatedly now. So let me show you. They're the Trader Joe's plantain crisps. You know when you buy things, they're on rotation. Like you eat them a lot or use them a lot and then you stop and then you go back like, we're back to it. We're back to these plantain crisps. They're so good. They're on the salty side because I know there's these other ones that are sweet, but these are so good. I'm more of a salty person and these are awesome to replace chips. But yeah, really recommend you guys try these out next time you go to Trader Joe's if you haven't tried them already because they're so damn good. Okay, now we're at the end of the video. I have one last favorite that I want to share with you guys. And you know, I always share my monthly favorite plant with you. And this month's favorite plant is my Pilea. She's so cute. If you guys remember when I first got her, she was way smaller than this. She has been doing so well. I keep her right here by the kitchen window. She's so cute. She's actually growing some babies. So what I'm going to do is surprise my mom because she doesn't have a Pilea yet and she loves starting off with baby plants and then growing them. So I'm gonna give her this little baby whenever she comes to visit me because she never comes to visit me ever. But yeah, I love this Pilea. She's so cute. I don't know why it took me forever to get one because they just make such a statement, and I have her in this really cute pot that I got at a shop here in San Diego called Pigment. Just a cute vibe. Oh, and I have my little Water Me plant marker, and this is where she thrives. Love her. So yeah, that's where she hangs out. That's where she likes to be. But yeah, I think that's it for today's video, you guys. That's basically, those are all of my July favorites that I could think of. I'm excited to share with you guys what my favorites end up being during August because, oh my gosh, how is it already gonna be August? But like always, if you guys liked this video, then please don't forget to like it and share it with a friend. Subscribe if you haven't already. Also, I'm going to New York soon, so I'm gonna be doing some fun New York vlogs and everything. So definitely make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss those. And we have some more fun stuff coming, so I definitely don't want you guys to miss it. But thank you guys again for watching. I really appreciate you for letting me be a part of your day in any little way. If you're not tired of me already, then don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I share a bunch of different type of content over there. But yeah, love you guys. I'll see you next time.